wanna know.
Hello you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do some crochet hair over your locks, and today we will be working with Lockbraids hair. Okay guys, so to start off, here's what the hair looks like. This is 18 inches and 3 bundles. So I would say get 4 bundles if you want it to be full and just to be safe. Because you guys can see the method that I use, I kind of had to finesse it without filling up my whole head of hair but still keeping everything covered. So yeah, this is 18 inches and 3 bundles. So to start off with my locks, you guys can see that it is semi freshly retwisted it about 3 weeks ago, and it was in a style, so I just took the style down. So if you have locks, make sure that your locks are flat enough to where they can be flat under the crochet hair, even though the crochet hair is curly, you know, still to have a good foundation. So I went in and I just braided my hair into 4 braids all the way back. After braiding them all the way back, I just braided all of the rest of my hanging hair together and just kind of tucked it into the braid. So whatever way works for you, but just do a flat braid down. I personally like the 4 braid method because 1, it does not take long to crochet the hair in this way, and 2, you can still have everything covered without necessarily filling up your whole head. You guys can go ahead and see how I braided it down. So once everything is braided down, I just go in and I start crocheting everything in vertically, but just please pay attention and watch how I do this because there is like a method to it. With the braids that are not on the top of my head, for the bottom braids, so the ones closest to my ear, obviously there's 4 braids total, so the 2 braids that are closest to my ear, the way I crochet in the hair is at the bottom of that braid. So you guys can see I'm just vertically crocheting it in, but at the bottom of the braid, not at the top of the braid, and you guys can see what I mean by that. So after I crocheted in that first row, for the top braid, I crochet in underneath the braid, like at the bottom of that braid, but also at the top of the braid. So enough to cover up the braid below. You guys can see I crocheted all around for the top braid, but only 1 row for the bottom braid. I did have to kind of go in and like recrochet some closer to my middle part because I feel like it was too far apart. But you do want to make sure that when you do crochet at the top of your hair that you are trying to get it as close to your middle part as possible, just so that it can look natural and it's not too far apart. Obviously I can show you better than I can tell you. That's why I'm showing you guys this video and recording this for you, so you guys can see how I'm doing it. And I just went ahead and did the same thing on the other side. So after that, I went in, I added some water and some mousse and kind of teased the top a little bit to make it look more natural, played around with it, all of those things. And yeah, that was pretty much it, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. As you guys can see, it's very full, even all around the back. With the method that I use, everything is covered up. And yeah, this did not take long at all. I literally started at 3 and it is currently 5 o'clock, so it took me 2 hours on the dot, and I used 3 bundles total. I say get more if you want extra hair, just in case. If you want it a little bit more fuller, I say get 4 bags. But for this look, if you don't want anything that's going to take too long, I recommend doing this method where I didn't even fully like fill up my whole head. I just did rows, as y'all saw with the cornrows, and I just layered it. So yeah, you guys, I really enjoyed doing this because it took the water well, took the mousse very well. And so all the hair details will be down below in the description box. And if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, or any hair ideas that you guys would like me to do, please let me know down in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.